Hi everyone, this is Abhishek from Key2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can place manual ad in your article. So here I am talking about the middle article ad that you can place after second paragraph or fourth paragraph or after 10th paragraph. So you can place manual ad unit in your articles by following this video. So the process is a little bit of complicated. So you need to watch the video till the end and follow the each steps mentioned in this video. So let's start adding the manual ad unit in our Blogger website. So for this I am going to use this website, and as you can see that I have added a sample ad code here. So we are going to place ad in between the article. So for this let's go to the Blogger dashboard, and before changing anything make sure to take a backup of your theme. So in case if you do any mistake you can easily restore it back to the original position. So just go to the theme section here, and after taking backup just click on the edit HTML, and here you need to find the section where you want to add the manual ad unit. So here in this case middle article ad. So for this I will click on this button and I will click on this block 1. So let me just show you where this wizard will place. So here you can see that this is the blog post where the main article content like authors and everything shows up here. So we need to place the ad wizard just after it, just after the blog post. So for this I will go to the theme here and I will click on edit HTML, and I will click on here and I will click on the block 1 here. Here it is, and here you can see that this is the B wizard ID block 1. So we need to find this section in the theme, and after that I will click on this arrow button here like this, and I will hit enter here, and I will place my ad code here. So for this let me just copy a code like this. So this is a wizard, so we need to copy this wizard code here and I will paste that wizard code here. So basically we are adding another wizard just after this, and as you can see that in this main section the max wizard allowed here is 1. So we need to change it to something like 4, and make sure to keep this show add element to yes if it is false. Okay, now we have added the second wizard in that section. We need to change some settings. So let me just save this code first. The code is now saved, but in some cases the code might not be saved because of duplicate IDs or something. So let me just click on here block 1 here, and let me just click on the arrow after this B wizard, and then as you can see that we have added the second wizard code here. So here if this code is not saving, then you need to change this ID HTML01. So you can change it to something like HTML001 or HTML55 or 65, something like that, and after adding the unique ID the code will be saved in your theme. Okay, now let me just go back here and I will click on layout here, and as you can see that we have added the middle post ad 1 here just after the blog post. So here we need to change one more thing here. So you need to open a blog post and right click on it and click on inspect here, and after inspecting you need to find the post body. So I will click on this button and I will select the whole post content here like this, and here there is a class like div post body entry content, and here the ID is post dash body. So I need to copy this ID. So this ID may be vary from theme to theme. So you need to identify the ID of your theme, and then you need to go to the theme section here. Again go to the edit HTML. Again I will click on the block 1 here, and after the block 1 we have added that wizard here middle post ad 1. So here in the script section you need to change that ID. So I can change this ID here. If you don't change this ID, this code will not work in your theme, and basically the work is done. And there is one more settings, and here this is the paragraph. So we need to assign the paragraph or div tag to show after 5th paragraph or 6th paragraph. So here it is set to 15 paragraph. So let me just change it to second paragraph, and it will show after the second paragraph. And if you are using deep tag in your post, then you have to change this paragraph to deep like this. But in this case, let me just keep it as paragraph p tag, and I have added the second paragraph here like this. Now let me just save this code here. Okay, now the code is saved. Let me just go to the layout section here, and here it is middle post ad 1. So let me just click on here, and I need to replace the code with my own Adsense code. So let me just copy that sample code here. So let me just copy all code from here, and I will click on edit, and let me just paste it here. Let's save the code. Okay, now we have added the code. Let me just go to the post here, and as you can see that there is no ad showing in between post. So let me just refresh this page, and as you can see that our advertisement is added after the second paragraph. So this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. But let me just go to the home page here, and let me just open another blog post, and as you can see that it is showing after the second paragraph. And let me just open a different post here, and as you can see that it is again showing after the second paragraph. So in this way you can add a middle article ad in your blogger website. And what if you want to add multiple ad slot in your theme, then you can also do that. So here one thing to note that you need to use the paragraph instead of the div class. So if you open in the blog post, and if I select this element, the paragraph is set here. But if you are using something like normal, then it will not show the ad. So you need to find, if you are using normal, then you have to change it with div, and if it is paragraph, then you have to add it as paragraph. So here the code is, so here you need to change the tag name. You can display after paragraph, or you can display after div tag. So here I am using the paragraph, that's why I am set the p tag here. And if I go to the second post here, and here as you can see that there is div tag used here, that's because we have set the normal instead of the paragraph. So in this case the code will not work properly. So as you can see that if I select this one, it is showing normal, and if I scroll down, it is showing the paragraph, and this then again it is normal, and then again it is the normal. So let me just change this section to paragraph. So let me just do that, and let me just update this post. Let's go back, and let me just view this post here, and here it is. So the ad code is showing like this. That's because this is the normal section here, this is the paragraph tag used here, then again it is set to normal, and again it is used for paragraph. So it will show after the second paragraph. So if you are using div tag, then make sure to change this tag element to div, and if you are using paragraph throughout the blog post, then you can set it as p tag. So let's check how you can add multiple ad slot in your theme. So for this I will go to the theme section here, and I will click on edit HTML. Now I will click on here, and I will click on the block 1 here. So this is the main section. As you can see that this is the main section here. So let me just hit space here, and I will click on this arrow button again, and I will scroll down here, and I will search for that section. So I will click on here, and after the block 1 I will click on HTML01. So this is the wizard here. So I need to copy this wizard code from here like this, and the wizard code ends here, and let's copy it again, and I will hit space here. So we need to paste the code just before the closing B section. So let me just do that here, and here I need to change some settings. Like here I can change the middle post add to middle post add to, and then I will change the ID to HTML02, and I will scroll down here, and I will change the HTML to HTML02, and I will change this number of element to 4. So the ad will show after the 4th element, and I will change the middle add to, and so add 0 1 2, so add 2. And there is one more time we need to change this one, middle add to middle 0 2, like this. And there is one more time we need to change this, so add 0 1 to 0 2. So basically we need to change the 0 1 to 0 2 everywhere. So there is some times like here there is a middle add 2, so we need to change from 0 1 to 0 2, and then you need to change the id from 0 1 to 0 2, and then you need to change the so add 0 1 to 0 2, and there is one more time, so we need to change it to 0 1 to 0 2, and there is this section, so change it to 0 1 to 0 2, and we have added the second section. And if you want to add more section, then you need to again copy this wizard code here like this, and I will copy and paste it here, and I will do the same. I will change the id to html03, and let's change the middle post add to middle post add 3, and then again I will need to change something here in the script. So here I will change this option like middle add 02 to middle add 03, and I will change here the id from 02 to 03, and I will change the so add to 03, and there is some places we need to change from 02 to 03. And here in this case I will show the add after the 7th paragraph like this, so I can set it here. So we have added 3 middle post or middle article add in this theme. So let me just save here. So you need to change everything from 02 to 03, and you need to change the id. So id must be unique in your theme. So let's go back here, and let me just go to the layout section here. And as you can see that we have added 3 middle post add 1, middle post add 2, and middle post add 3. So you can easily add your manual add code in these wizards. And if you want to add more than 3 middle articles add, then you need to increase the wizard count here. So let me just do that, and I will click on here, and I will click on block 1 here, and here after this block 1 you will see this option max wizard. So if you want to add more sections, then you can increase this max wizard to something like 6th, and make sure to show add element to yes. Now let's save here. Now let's go back and let's go to the layout here, and as you can see that there is the add gadget section, so you can add more gadgets in your blog post. Now let's open a blog post here, and let me just refresh this page, and there is one add slot here. That's because there is 2 paragraph in this page. So let me just open a different blog post here, and as you can see that there is this section, and there is this section, and there is 3 sections showing up here. I think there is a blank paragraph tag here just in between the advertisement. So let me just open this post, and let me just go to the HTML view, and let's check. Here it is. There is a blank paragraph tag here. That's why it is showing like that. And here this is a paragraph tag, and as you can see there are multiple blank paragraph tag. That's why it is showing like that. So you can easily fix that issues. So let me just quickly duplicate it one more time like this, and let me just update it. Now let's refresh this page, and here it is. The advertisement is showing after 2nd paragraph, 4th paragraph, and 7th paragraph. So in this way you can add middle article add in your Blogger website by following this trick. So I know this is a little bit confusing, so you need to watch the video properly and change everything that I have shown in this video, and make sure to add the right post body ID in your theme, otherwise this code will not work. And make sure to use some unique ID in your theme, because if any other wizard is using the same unique id, then it will show an error. So make sure to use an unique id and make sure to get the post body id of your theme. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want me to make more videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.